Schedule and patient visit management. To add a schedule, click on the schedule manager. This is also available on the quick links. It will open a page with different time slots. You can now add a schedule for a given time slot. The current time slot is marked in green. Click on add new schedule. Here you can enter the patient name and click on search. If the patient has come before, you will see all the matching names, and you can click on the patient name to autofill the details. If it is a new patient, you can add all the details. Here you can add the demographic, contact, as well as the TPA details and the patient photograph. Once done, click on add. On the next page, you will see all the entered details, and below it you will see the schedule details. Here you can add the referring doctor. All the referring doctors will already be present in the system through the referral model. You can also add a new doctor if required from here. In case of, you can also add if the person has been referred by an insurance company or a hospital. Accordingly, the rate list will also change. Then after that, you can add a test. You can add it by typing the test code or searching through the test group or the test type. In case the test is to be outsourced to another lab, you can also select the lab using that drop down. You can keep adding another entry and add as many tests as required. In case of a profile, just simply select the profile from the test group and automatically those tests will be added. After this, you can also attach some notes to the patient. You can also decide whether the method of the person coming in was personal, over the phone, or through a collection center. You can decide on the delivery date and time if required, as well as the schedule number which is going to be given to the patient. The schedule number is pre-created by the system. Below, automatically the bill is generated. It shows the particulars, the rate, quantity, and the amount, and the total. You can add a tax, you can add a discount, you can show whether the patient has paid the money or it's come through the insurance company, as well as the payment mode. All the particulars are added directly. All you need to do is add the discount, tax, and the payment mode along with the patient amount paid. In this way, the schedule is created. Click on save to save the schedule. Automatically at the bottom, you will see an entire list of options. They include sending the schedule as an email, SMSing, going to the sample collection, creating a lab worksheet for the same as shown over here, which can be printed out and given to your lab technician. You can print the receipt, print the bill, print the whole schedule with or without letterhead. You can click on update to update the schedule at any time of time. Here you can add new tests, add a new profile. If required, enter the amount paid if the payment was done later. In this way, you can update the test. Once done, you can again click on the save option. Once this process is completed, you can go to the next step, that is the sample collection directly from here. Simply click on the sample collection option. If you click on the Go to Schedule Manager, you will see that the schedule is created in the system. It will be in the form of green. Clicking on the patient name will take you back to the schedule. Click on the amount will take you to the bill. All the tests will be shown with orange tick marks. Once the test report is filled, they will be shown with blue tick marks. Also on the right side of the schedule entry, you will see various statuses. Once they are, as each one of them is completed, the status will change to a blue tick mark. You can also see the schedules or the schedule manager in terms of the month to show you the dates with how many schedules have been added for that day. Also, using the traversal system on top, you can directly go to a given month, date, or come to today by simply clicking on today. This allows you to move between dates very easily in LabC. Once the schedule has been added, you go to the next step, that is the sample collection. Simply click on the sample collection button. It will open the sample collection page. Here you can add the samples. Each sample to be collected is shown with the attached test. You can click on add new sample to add a sample. Once a sample of a certain type is added, you can use the same sample for another test or add a completely new sample. The sample code given is generated by the system, but you can edit this and put in your barcode if required. Clicking on the orange button will delete the sample. Once all the samples are collected, you can then click on the all samples collected to close the sample collection process. Once this is done, the tick mark on the schedule manager will change to blue for sample collection. Also, once the samples are added and collected, only then the test report can be printed. If the samples are not collected, then the test reports, though added, cannot be printed. This is as per the NABL guidelines. Once all the test reports are filled, then the entry will change to brown, denoting that the entire process for that schedule has been completed. In this way, for a single patient, the entire scheduling is done. In the schedule manager entry, you can see the referred by, the schedule number, and the status at every given time. You can click on the delete option to delete the entry. This privilege is only with the administrator.